Equipment selection and all consultations are conducted by the company owner, RomanTsibulsky. He has a wide experience in working with various equipment and technologies. Roman also has a good professional memory and logical thinking, which helps him quickly and clearly understand the client's task and choose the equipment that can solve the issue. Roman has feedback from many customers who share with him recommendations and problems on equipment operation. Our company had the best conditions for the organization of goods delivery with subsequent customs clearance on favorable terms. Since we have a strong advertising and favorites, transport companies make us favorable offers. We have chosen the best and reliable of them. All our cargo is always under our control.